What is a Git repository? You can think of a Git repository as a diary for your project. Just as a diary records events day by day, a Git repository records the history of your project's files, including what changed, when it changed, and who changed it. This detailed record keeping allows you to navigate back in time to previous states of your project, offering a nice way to manage versions, experiment with new features without risk, and collaborate with other developers without overwriting each other's work. Technically speaking, a Git repository, often referred to as a repo, is a folder containing your project's files, and it's a powerful tool that Git uses to track every change related to those files. When you initialize a repository, Git starts monitoring the changes made to all of the files within it, effectively taking snapshots of your project at different moments in time that you specify. Now, by default, after installing Android Studio, Git is also installed by default, and you can make sure that it's installed by opening your CMD if you're on Windows and writing git version. Okay, and if this gives you a valid Git version, this means that you already have Git installed on your setup. Okay, but if that's not the case, you can download Git from this website where you can find versions for Windows, Mac, and Linux as well. Okay, and after you download it, you can make sure that it's installed also by writing this command inside the command prompt. And if you get Git is not a valid command or something like that, you need to change it inside your environment variables. Okay, so you can check your environment variables right there and click on environment variables if you're on Windows. If you're on another operating system, I have no idea how to do this. Okay, just go to your system variables right there and double click on path and make sure that Git is found here within your path variables. Okay, I think it's somewhere here. There it is. Okay, you will find something like Git CMD at the end. Okay, and if that's not the case as well, if you don't know where Git is installed, after installing it from that website, you can write git where, or was it where git? I think it's where git. That's it, where you can find where Git is installed on your device, basically. Okay, so you need to copy that until the CMD and just add it to your path variable. Okay, you need to make sure that it's inside your system variables so that it can take place as a change. And after you do that, you need to click on OK, and you need to apply and then click on OK as well. You may need to restart your PC in that case for this change to take effect, basically. And that's how you set up Git on your device, okay, if you're on Windows. And let's get back to Android Studio. If you want to initialize a Git repository, there's more than one way to do it. Okay, you can either go to your terminal and write git init, which will just initialize your Git repository. Okay, init is short for initialize. And the alternative method will be to click on VCS and enable version control integration. So let's click on that inside the VCS tab. And after that, you will get a prompt. Okay, select a version control system to associate with this application. Okay, this is a new project that I created inside Android Studio. It's still an empty project, which you can basically set up easily. And here you can choose between Git, Mercurial, and Subversion, apparently. We need Git. Okay, so choose Git and click on OK. And after that, Git is initialized inside your project. So you just need to make sure that you're inside the right path of your project when you want to initialize Git. Okay, and after you initialize Git inside your projects folder, Git will create a hidden subfolder within your project which is called .git. And you can see that if you right-click on your app folder and go to Open in Explorer, here you will see your project, basically. And if you click on inside Windows 11, if you click on View, Show Hidden Items, you can now see that hidden.git folder. This is not just any folder. It's like the brain of Git's operations for your project. And within this .git directory, Git carefully stores all of the metadata and object database, which includes things like commits and pointers to commit objects, heads, and lots of other stuff as well. It also contains configuration settings necessary for managing the versions of your project files. And this setup allows Git to keep a detailed tracker for every change, including who made it, what exactly was changed, and when it was made as well. The .git directory is what transforms a regular folder into a powerful version control hub. This directory is the heart of your Git repository, holding all of the tools and information that Git needs to track your project's evolution over time. Every commit that you make, every branch that you create, and every merge that you perform is recorded and managed through the data which is stored inside .git. If you like my type of content and you find it to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.